Hello everyone and welcome back to Coastal's DIYs project part 2. So for this first DIY we are going to be using this wood piece, and I'm taking a measurement of what size I want my boat to be, and then cut both ends at 45-degree angle. Once it was cut, I sanded down all of the edges, making sure that there were no harsh edges left. When I place a dowel in the center of my boat, I drill the hole about halfway down. I add a little bit of wood glue and stuck the dowel inside. For the sails, I've decided to use a kitchen towel. I cut the two right triangles on either side and then attach them to the boat. So once these were attached, this is how my little boat turned out. Moving right on into DIYs number 2, and I'm making coastal wreath. I already pre-made my base, and the diameter is 27 centimeter. If you don't want to make it yourself, you can always buy those from craft shops. Start adding some driftwood. I place my sailboat, which I made it from previous DIYs project. And in between those spaces I start gluing some of these shells, different shapes and sizes, which I thought would look really nice. I just kind of work around it, and I didn't really have a plan too much. I just keep adding shells over and over until I like the way that it looked. And for the last DIY, I'm going to make a little garland. I bought those beads on the different shapes and sizes, and some of them I painted in white chalk paint just to make them more unified with the rest of the beads. Now we are going to make a tassel, so I just have some twine here and I'm going to wrap it around my hand, and then I'm cutting another piece of twine about 80 centimeter length. This will be the string that will insert into the beads. I'm going to pass it through the top of the bundle and tie a double knot to secure it. So next you would need another piece of twine. All you have to do is to put the string about 1.5 centimeter down from the top and then wrap it around a couple of times and make a knot. Cut off the bottom of your tassel. So now we can start beating our garland, and I begin with the largest bead, then a bit smaller, then again smaller, then bigger, then smaller. So basically keep repeating the process until you finish. To finish off my garland, I'm going to add a seashell. Let me know in the comment which one is your favorite. So I hope you enjoyed. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!